making some new ways for the saw, which I'll switch to now. There you go. For that saw. The ways are terribly worn, as you can see. And we've already made one. New way for it. And this will be the last one. Quite a good rigid setup, really. This is a Jekyll FP1 mill. It does work exceptionally well. I do like it a lot. It's not too big, but I wouldn't mind swapping it for a bridge cut. It's a lovely little mill. And as you can see, it's chomping away at that quite nicely. You can probably see my setup, clamps everywhere, just to make absolutely sure it's nice and rigid. And that's the depth of the bar we're putting on. Got a nice finish. And she stopped. We're nearly on the last pass. She kicked out of gear, so I'll go back. And we've got 25 down to go, so I want to be a little bit careful here. It's 20. Just want to kiss it. Something like that. And this will be the last pass. I couldn't do it all at once because my bed wasn't long enough to move it all the way across. So this bottom plate, as you can see, is very flat. This is my angle gauge. I can move it any angle I like when I made. This angle will move up and down, so I can set any angle, put any work on it. There's holes in the back, so I've got good clamps on it. I tend to put another clamp here with a just against it, just to push against it, just to make sure rigidity is perfect. So there we go. That's my setup. I've got mastic all over myself. But I put some mastic around these places here on the mill, just when I'm using tools it doesn't run all over the place, it keeps it in, it floods around here and back around the mill. So this is the last pass. Thank goodness, I seem to be at it for a long time, but I've only been taking 25 thousandths at a time because you know, rigidity with something this length, slight bit of vibration there, well, it's only very slight. But what we didn't want to do is muck it up, so as I say, slowly catch the monkey. But there you go, there's the setup, quite nice. That's the end of it. So I might put it now onto the surface grinder and just shovel on the surface grinder just to make sure it's spot on for that last down. Okay, till next time, ciao.